I am so distracted right now. Hey guys, today I went to 2 different Goodwills in search of some dog training equipment. Sometimes I look for myself, but most of the time it's more fun to look for my dogs. So here's what I found at Goodwill number 1. Alright, so I found this box at the first Goodwill that we went to, and it was $10, except it was half off day, so I got it for $5, which is pretty awesome. And the first thing I thought of is I saw these and I thought, ooh, I'm going to try to make dog jumps, because that's something Lily and I really need to practice on. So I'm going to see if I can make something happen with this little construction fort we got. This again. Hey little munchkins. Alright, so here are the finished jumps. So I just cut down 3 of the black poles just to make the jump a little bit shorter. And then I just added the white duct tape. I thought maybe she could see that a little bit easier than the black when she's getting ready to do her jumps. Jump! Yeah! Jump! Oh, good girl. Jump! Jump! Nice job, baby! So she's a little bit standoffish, but that's okay. She'll get used to them. I think they're just kind of weird and not what she's used to. Now let's check out store number 2. Okay, you ready to see what I got? I went shopping.
Hey,
you ready to see? Oh. Let's go look. You ready? You ready to learn how to play the piano? Play the piano? Can you play the piano though? I didn't hear anything. Play the piano. Yes! Good girl! Awesome! Do it again. Play the piano. Do it. Play the piano. I need to hear music, baby. Yes! Good girl. Yes! Good girl.